Most people get this wrong. They think running apps are all about tracking mileage. But the surprising truth about Training Peaks is that it's a complete performance platform designed to help runners train smarter, not just longer. Training Peaks allows you to plan workouts, track performance metrics, and analyze your progress over time. You can set goals, like improving your 5K pace or preparing for a marathon, and the app will help structure your training to hit those targets. It supports GPS tracking, heart rate data, and power metrics for more advanced runners. One standout feature is the performance management chart, which shows your fitness, fatigue, and form over time. This visual tool helps you avoid overtraining and plan peak performance for race day. You can also sync data from popular devices like Garmin, Polar, and Apple Watch. The surprising truth is how detailed the analytics are. For instance, the app can calculate training stress score, intensity factor, and TSS, which are metrics often used by elite athletes. Even if you're not a pro, this insight helps optimize workouts and prevent injury. Pricing includes a free version with basic tracking and a premium subscription for advanced planning, analytics, and personalized coaching features. Many runners find the premium version worth it for the detailed guidance it provides. In conclusion, Training Peaks is perfect for runners of all levels who want to go beyond just logging miles. It provides actionable insights, structured workouts, and a clear path to improve performance. Subscribe for more honest reviews of running and fitness tools to help you train smarter and reach your goals faster.